How much time is wasted by just clicking and clicking and clicking around all the different apps that you use to run your business every day? Well, today that ends because SamCart has a brand new tool for you to find exactly what you need the moment you need it, saving you hours of time every single week. And the next 90 seconds, I'm going to introduce you to this new feature we call Global Search. And then after that, I'm going to show you how some of the biggest SamCart sellers use Global Search to close more of their high ticket offers by leveraging the most powerful button inside of every single SamCart account. If we have not met, my name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart. It's the #1 e-commerce platform for digital entrepreneurs. Our customers have sold more than $6 billion of their own products, goods, and services through our platform. And nobody likes clicking and clicking and clicking through different menus and pages just to try to find what they need. Imagine how much time you and your team are wasting trying to help those repetitive customer support tasks because it's click and copy and paste and click and confirm and on it goes. But SamCart's new Global Search is here like a Mario mushroom to speed up your entire team's day, saving you time and help you find exactly what you need in seconds. Now live inside of every SamCart marketplace, from pretty much every single page, you can hit Command K on a Mac or Control K on a PC to bring up the new Global Search bar. And all you need to do is just start typing. Plug in a customer's name, their email, an order ID, a subscription ID, a product name, a knowledge base article, anything, and you can instantly navigate right where you need to go. Quick Search can help you instantly find your products, locate specific customers, find orders or subscriptions, or again, even take you to help articles to learn how to use your SamCart account better. The new Global Search can even handle partial searches. So just plug in someone's last name or the first half of someone's email, or just start typing, and the search results are going to come at you instantly. Global Search is going to shorten that path to help you with those repetitive tasks, helping out your customers, creating new products, locating orders, exports, all of those things. You can find exactly what you need instantly. And if there's something you're not sure how to do inside of your SamCart account, just use Global Search. Let us take you directly to help articles that will teach you about how to set up your first upsell, how to set up payment routing, or how to go create a dynamic coupon to boost your conversion rates. But the new Global Search feature, again, now live in every SamCart marketplace, definitely go check it out. Just another way that SamCart makes your business simpler. But now let's talk about how to use this feature to double the close rate on your high ticket offers. But I'm gonna back up a second. In 2017, Brian sent one email to SamCart customers that made us $200,000 on the spot, thanks to one very specific button that we then built into every single SamCart marketplace, so you can do the same. Years later, dozens of SamCart VIPs are still sending some version of that email and using that same button to close sales for their coaching packages, their memberships, big service packages, private communities, all that kind of expensive high-ticket stuff. Here is how they can close them easier than ever. The first thing you're gonna do is send an email. And the email is super easy to copy. Round up all your customers. Tell them you have some openings for one of your high-ticket products. Give them a quick couple bullet points about why they should buy, what benefits it has for them. Slap a 25% discount if they're willing to join right now. And then here's the kicker. Ask if they want to use their card on file to join right now. So your email might sound a little something like this. Hey customer, we have a few spots available in my paid traffic mastermind. That's the private group where you get access to me and my team so we can finally help get your ad campaigns scaling, explode your email list, and grow your bottom line. Normally it's $5,000 for the year, but if you want to claim a spot right now, I'm offering a 25% discount for the next 3 days. Just reply back to this email with yes, and our team will take care of it using the card you have on file to join right now. Hugs and kisses, Brian. The details of the email, up to you. Change some stuff, talk about something different, but go send that email to your current customers. And every single reply that jumps back into your inbox is a closed sale waiting to happen. And here's how you're gonna use Global Search to close more of them. Go into SamCart, open up Global Search, and plug in that customer's name. You can pull up their customer record and then open a past order. And that is where you are gonna find the most powerful button inside of SamCart. It's called Add to Order. Add to Order allows you to charge a customer's credit card or PayPal account that they already have used to buy something from you. So they never have to go back to some checkout page and plug in their information again. You can close that sale right on the spot. Click on the Add to Order button, find the product you want to charge them for in the drop-down menu. Then apply a 25% coupon and click charge. It's incredibly easy for your customer to join. You get to collect all that cash up front, and you are closing sales easier than ever. This campaign has come to be known as the yes email, and the new global search is perfect for adding this to your playbook and making it even easier to run. Partner global search and that add to order button to start closing more high ticket sales today. And for more updates on SamCart's latest feature, there's a link in the description where you can check out our product releases page. And if you're ready to make the switch to SamCart, there's also a link down there. Come talk to our implementation team about your business and how SamCart can make you more money. And our team of experts can even help get your entire SamCart account set up for you. Scaling your business and making more money can be simple. Stop fighting bad technology when you make the switch to SamCart today.